We are going to start with a new chapter of class ninth bio, chapter 6, tissue. So first we should know what is tissue. Tissue is a group of cells having similar structures and function in plants. Animal group of cells called tissues carry out specific function. For example, in human beings, the cells of the muscular tissue contract and relax and help in movements. In plants and cell of vascular tissue conduct water and food from one part of the plant to other. These are the diagram types of muscular muscles and xylem and phloem structure. So now we will discuss about difference between plant and animal tissue, but we will first understand about plant tissue. Plant tissue. Plant do not move from one place to another place. Most of the cells and tissue in plant provide mechanical support and strength. So most of the tissue consists of dead cells because they provide mechanical support and strength to the plant. The growth of plant take place only in some regions. So plants have tissues called meristematic tissues which divide and help in growth of permanent tissue which do not divide. Now we'll discuss about plant tissue. Plant tissue are of two main types. They are meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue are of three types. They are apical meristematic tissue, intercalary meristematic tissue, and lateral meristematic tissue. Permanent tissue are of two types. They are simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent tissue are of three types. They are parenchyma, chlorenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Complex permanent tissue are of two types. They are xylem and phloem. This is a structure of a plant tissue. Plant tissue is divided into two parts: meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue is divided into three parts: apical meristematic tissue, intercalary meristematic tissue, and lateral meristematic tissue. Permanent tissue is divided into two parts: simple permanent and complex permanent tissue. Simple permanent is divided into three parts: parenchyma, chlorenchyma, and sclerenchyma. And complex permanent tissue is divided into xylem and phloem.